Dear students, today we will solve the 11th question from chapter number 5. This is physics class 9. The question says that a force of 600 Newton acts on a box to push it 5 meter in 15 seconds. Calculate the power. Dear students, I have shown here a box and this is the force and its magnitude is 600 Newton and this is pulling the box towards right, and this box moves towards right. So I write the data here. Force is 600 Newton and the distance which it covers is 5 meter and the time which it takes to cover this distance, it is 15 seconds, and we are to calculate the power. We know that the formula for power is work over time. So P is equal to W divided by T. Here W stands for work and the formula for work is F into S. To calculate work we have to multiply force with the distance. Now putting the values of F, S and T, force is 600 and the distance is 5 meter and the time is 15 seconds. Simplifying them, 5 threes are 15 and 3 twos are 6. So the final answer will be 200 and the units for work are joule and the units for time are seconds. Joule per second is called watt. So the power will be 200 watt. For revision, I once again repeat it. Force which is acting towards the right, it is 600 Newton. The distance which it moves is 5 meter and the time which it takes is 15 seconds. We have to calculate power. The formula for power is work over time and work is F into S over T. Putting the values and after simplification we get that the power will be 200 watt. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next lesson.